Mensa Aka a very I don't know how to describe it. Me who brought for men family, but it is quite I mean okay, me who brought for men family, but okay, my main describe na member audio na say mobeti. Now it is apparently an audio of Chairman Woon to me, and I think say with audio now Obehun say some people around. I think he was in a room with some people Misusu say a MPP4. Now they were actually talking about the voters registration and they were jubilating na womuniaje. Now we beka say ebane saying na I was say Chairman Woon to me in just and I better say one more pop champagne in Yamania. Beka say ebane say na Chairman Woon to me in just a yen to abaye. Say the reasoning behind the whole thing, and they say one, the voters registration has been very successful, and according to Chairman Woon to me, the NTR ebia nini aji uti audio na according to one no bibia NDC for strongholds ewo Ashanti region no. Once the Ashanti region, I think say NDC for will bear 2 or 3 seats. Chairman Woon to me I na say this time war just seats ni na ama MPP. In terms say bibia NDC for strongholds no. Low turnout, voters registration, no, there were low turnout at that particular area, and also can energy no. Now, I actually don't understand why the celebration will be coming through, but apparently, Chairman Woon to me is saying this as a victory for MPP. The worker and they say, we ni natural say Nana Akufo-Addo we win na we make his statement. But Chairman Woon to me make his statement. They say, from yesterday, say Endra was there na. Voters registration or end there. Into say from yesterday, our voters registration or end there no Endra and a MPP a winning a year Ghana election no. Chairman Woon to me made that statement in the audio and he was jubilating and uncle for a bon same amano. Young Congo we are hearing from people when him say assembly people from all the political sides ebetre wo mo adwen NDC for ebetre wo mo adwen MPP for so ebetre wo mo adwen nti no young Congo na yekotie we are what we are hearing ye dey a two from the yet no so ye dey beka ho the MPP for eka ye dey no so beka ho the NDC for so eka no ye dey no so beka ho amamu na trese obia ate ne ho ase na ye na ye hu ensem a ekoso. So let's just go and listen to Chairman Woon to me in this particular audio na ye ba chaso
mu nyina de mo target the man na asida hu hia enne me dina me famoso na me de asida we no ade ama me team a mo wa ha yam sana na prempene Boris ena me duru ya but mu nyina ana sampan ena me duru ya but me da mu nyina mase about the strategy aduma no well done job and I can confirm as a regional chairman sir about 2020 no ya winning no anura and ya winning abano education you know ya winning abano I think registration the buy it's a net na I was saying me Nyankopon asem so na ye nu mu nyina no ye de ba na ye beji ye ni aye ni gida kese strategy na fire no ko Mahama will never be a president again. Our Baba said Ghana will be free education. I'm a view. I'm a view. And to one endorsing and Akufo-Addo 8 years. Now registration not boy ye pa. Now adia kra na my registration when ye important me say. On say a year 2016. Yeah, say about 47 seats in India. But be NDC for no almost polling stations no one in Yina reducing in no drastically. Okay, sir, Mobasha says, see, I know some media me deal with a Dumanaka son of me bassa me babe. Me bassa me banner babasu. I mean, there was a pass and was so be beyond the Motamachi. You could be a ɛne obiara mo ka ma chief ne de yɛ adwuma no sɛ deɛ ɔsiesie bia wokɔ baabi te sɛ post officer no mo yɛ taze ababa 400 eti nipa no mo ba so mo de ba ne ade nyinaa no wote ase anya dwuma ya makwan abana ma no sesia no dia ayasida ana yɛde ma mo samatimi aboa yɛde ma yɛ chairman fo yɛde ma yɛ PCC fo yɛde ma honorable MMDCs yɛbɔ amanfo dodo a mo de boa yɛn anyina no honorable akotwa friye yɛbɔ na baso what I say na ma so yɛdana se ya na ma ko fo so yɛdana se ɛma no bia mo ba boa yɛn anyina no yɛdɔ ba se is a movement anti do kuwa mo nyina so yɛda anti do kuwa mo nyina no so yɛda o ma se yɛda o ma se I say stronger da di bona me asida ya di bona me ya di bona me asida ya di bona me
Tefa kura timi aba wono ankasa timi chema ye no no kura no wa shoto governor 1 mebo na ya kasi ye yibi kura kan de wa wose dabi obi anko na ewiase mi hu obi a watimi ye bibia emu da ho fine people's father ti say the governor 1 of na me so wo enti sabudi mu nyina ba ya adwene a chairman aka Sir, 2008, the 8 years more for the Nano had been achieved. Yeah. Into 2008. A pioneer first were handing over Manano. And then I didn't want to hear then. I buy it. And the governor, where the Mia Magine. Also another 4 more years.
Nti no say ye nia yate nsamo a akoso ewo audio nim so clearly wo bi beka say aden na chairman wuntumi wo claim and I will declare say wo mo wini so what kasa I don't think there's something wrong with chairman wuntumi declaring say wo mo wini because and that many okasa even NDC wo mo so declare party ase because so Twitter na hashtag be trend say mahama fa say yenya nto aba na wo kasa mahama fa na you don't see anything wrong with that slogan or what can say mahama fa then you should obviously don't see or you should obviously not see anything wrong with Chairman Wuntumi also saying say we win election. I don't think there's something wrong because we be NDC can say we win, NPP so say we win. So I don't think there's anything there. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Now NDC 4B can say this particular audio goes to the fact one more can because now NDC 4 can say Oko Ashanti regional one more at the underage egumu one more den kola egumu a ye register one more pan say ye pese one more to aba ema MPP into NDC 4B can say even this jubilation confirms say the correct one more MPP for area a year register nimu ewo a year Ashanti region. So that is what some NDC people are saying. And NDC 4B so can say baby na eye NDC 4 strongholds no ye sheda intimidating crofo aman crofo anko register intia na Chairman Wuntumi will jubilate no. So that is what some people from eye NDC claiming. Now some people from MPP so there were more can and say what have voters registration angasa no eye ade na eye bloated eye ade na NDC 4 ewremu na this new one there MPP 4 the omoni to say obi ani wa wo be wiemu intino MPP for a jubilate say yampene ama NDC enwiemu so MPP for so there one more can no now yan so ye dey ni atu form you read it from websites heard from a lot of people no what we are even hearing and say we share okay EC officially hasn't come out with the regional data but what we are hearing and say about 16.6 million have registered. About 16.6 million have registered. And at the year say about close to 3 million have registered in Ashanti region. We stand to be corrected. We don't know whether it is true or not, but the year say about close to 3 million people have registered in the Ashanti region. Now, you say Ashanti region is also the stronghold for MPP. It say over 3 million people have registered there. Now, and no tell say MPP for ebenya more votes for her. Into in Crawford say no jubilation and no champagne and a chairman to me war poppy. But yeah, then sending near Abramo. Whatever you want to believe, no. This is what we've brought to you. Montreal Madrid, our comment box for